How to fix result underscore code underscore missing underscore data error in Chrome and Edge. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. A temporary glitch can cause this error, and restarting the browser can resolve it. Wait 30 seconds, then reopen Chrome or Edge. Try loading the website again. If the error persists, proceed to the next fix. Fix 2. Check internet connection. An unstable network can trigger this error by interrupting data loading. Fix 3. Update Chrome or Edge. An outdated browser can cause this error, and updating ensures you have the latest fixes. Wait till the browser is updated and click Relaunch. Corrupted cache or cookies can block page loading, and clearing them can help. If that didn't work, compatibility issues with Windows 11 can cause this error, and adjusting settings can help. Fix 6. Reinstall Chrome or Edge. A corrupted installation can cause this error, and reinstalling provides a fresh start.